Now that we have more or less finished with the project of the ArcoLinux application, I thought I'd pass via Chatgpt and told him, look, this is the code that we currently have. Do you have any recommendations, right? So I've done that already. It takes, I don't know, maybe an half an hour that you've missed. And first off, let's have a look what the changes are. No, it's easier, more educational if I do it like this and compare. You all have been playing around with another GUI, so we can have a look at that. Functions. I'm always thinking about the pronoun she, he, it. I'm gonna go for she this time. She says to use run, and I went to the Python GTK website, and call is the previous one and run is now the most recent one. So I did a replace, so process run all the time instead of call. So I concur. I have left other things just alone as that's good, but there was an onboard OS thing to join the path. So in order to use what we have as base directory, which is user share ArcoLinux app, and then the GUI, we've added now OS here, and OS path join is needed. No, it was working before, but it's code and it's interesting that you see it, this particular thing. So it's gonna bind two parts to each other, so we have a path. And then the logging debug is another variable that she suggested, and of course you need to fill it up here then, and then later on use it here. Anything else? So none of those I've accepted as tips. So this is it, right? This is the new stuff. Now, before I copy paste everything over, I haven't tried all the changes yet. Is it working? Let's see. There are a few things like the call and the run. Are there variables in there that that I should change? Off we go and test. So this takes quite a while to test, so I'm not skipping that one. Let's do a clean. So running processes are here, and get a pro link is that. And then installing again the fixed keys is call, instead of the call the run thing. Silence will fall. Who knows where it's coming from? Silence will fall. Say it on the YouTube video. So, done. Installing it. Removing it. Installing it again. Cached. From local file, cached, choose something. It's gonna be on my home desktop, a file to install. Install. So Firefox and Chrome were already installed, nothing done. This we've done already. So yeah, so the call and the run thing, let's do a quick check here. Ooh, we found something. And that one works, is on. So whatever we've done, we did something in the self choice. Something happened to the code. Well, line 182. What could it be? 182. Ah, better. Wrong file. Details. Self-choice. What's wrong with this thing? Back to reading what it says. Logging info, self-choice. Main object has no attribute choice. What do we do? Self-choice. Did we change something there? Well, a challenge. So thank God I have still my normal. So that's one of the reasons why it's interesting to have two applications. One's to develop and one to have a look. 183 or whatever it was. I did not change anything, but something is affecting it. We did change the level there. Join. So what could cause it? Subprocess run. Oh, I think I have an idea. An inkling. There was one. Control find a call. I think it was this one. Could not replace it. Yeah, the only one. So call is gone. But why is this doing that? And again, we're spending time and figuring out why is this happening to us? Wait. At the top, we say go and grab GUI. Okay, so it's not GUI 1. I was thinking maybe it's still the GUI I was playing with. So this guy, and it's this one. Maybe we've broken it. ISO choices, it's called. Did we change it? We should see it. ISO choices is the ID. Okay. Why did you choice? Yeah, okay. That's a widget, whatever it's called. So self choices. Don't get it. Must be something very, 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 I don't know what. Basic? Is it me? What's going on here? Sudo Python. What? 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 How stupid is that? But when I create it, no, it's working. Uh-huh. (261) if self-enabled hold. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. I know what happened. I get it. This triggers my memory. That's the line we used to have in the past. And we have declared them in the past. And then I thought, nah, we don't need it. So, as a matter of fact, we need it. Control C. Go back in there. So it doesn't know what it is. Done. Stop. Run it again. So create. Off it goes. Withhold. Create. Off it goes. This is a good catch, right? This is an awesome catch. So 2 lines that I thought, nah, we don't need it. But I always kept skipping the bit of ArcoLinux because it takes a while to build and all that. But no, it would never have run again. Okay, cool, not cool, uncool, but anyway, live. So let's make a new release. And you've seen now that I've let basically somebody else check my code and asked what improvements can I make, and these are the things that we've added, changed. All right, cheers. Well, you know the drill, the rest is workflow.